my name is Jasmine and I am doing a review slash just putting some information out there about the Saalt Menstrual Cup. So basically, I am a natural type of girl, right? So I do not like wearing pads and I do not like using tampons. So I am deciding to try something new and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. So first of all, it came in this cute little cardboard box and you can actually see the cup through the top of it there. And just swivel up and you can see I chose blue. It's one of my favorite colors. And it's a little intimidating to look at. It's silicone. It's very thick. Very thick. There. I've never used this before, so this is gonna be a sight to see. Anyway, so we have the cup and it also comes with a little bag. It's cute. It's cute. A little bag and let's see, just some instructions. Oh, and it says Saalt gives. So basically when you purchase one of these, which at Target was $32, and they give back to other women and girls who cannot afford it appears. I'm excited to try this. That's all that was in the box, as if you need anything else, right? So I'm excited about this because in addition to me not liking pads and tampons, I also like recycle. And then, you know, and switching over to this, hopefully I like this and it fits and it works. And then switching over this, I no longer have to buy pads or tampons. I can just use this here, right? So saving the earth, I'm all for it. I'll be back and I'll give you the 4-in-1, all right? Hey ladies, I am back and I am done with my period for the month, okay? I am done. Now I'm back after using the menstrual cup to let you know how it went. So I brought it back. Yes, I brought it back. It's here because I washed it and I sanitized it again. So basically I did the same thing I did in the beginning before I started using it. I washed it really good with soap and water. And while I washed it with soap and water, I boiled some hot water. I held it with my tweezers. So some tweezers that I have, I just hold on to the end of it after I've washed it. And I just pour the hot water slowly over it, let it steam, let it sit in there, you know, flip it this way, kind of twirl it, let that hot water, you know, really get in there and sterilize it really good. Okay, so basically in the beginning, I actually, on my first try, I was able to get the cup in. So I put it in this way. So I folded it like this. I actually did it a couple ways. The first time I did it, I folded it like this. And just put it on in there. And then once this part was in the inside, I was able to just push the rest up in there and it just kind of like popped. There's like lint on it again. No worries, I have a whole nother month to rewash it and sanitize it again. So anyhow, my first day for me, I actually went to sleep with it and I could not feel this thing. Okay, I could not, I did all kind of things. I forgot I was even on my period. I checked it after about 12. Well, of course I went to sleep, woke up and I emptied it when I woke up. I didn't get blood everywhere, which is great. We're talking about periods here, guys. So yeah, it's definitely a learning curve. Once I got it in, I struggled a lot getting it out, and I got a little anxiety as if it got stuck in there, but we all know it comes out, right? So anyway, it always comes out. So if that happens to you, it's okay. Inhale, exhale, calm down, relax, and literally like push as if you're peeing or pooping. Just push, period, okay? Just push, and the cup actually will push downward, and you're able to squeeze this part to pull it out. Yeah, basically day one, I entered it like this. Boop, boop. It goes just like that inside, catches everything. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, and then when you get ready to take it out, squeeze, you know, you gotta go in there at the bottom and kind of pinch it and pull it out. Okay, the first time it kind of like just spilled all into the toilet, but the second time I did pretty good. I pulled it on out, and when I pulled it out, it was like this. Now, this is a little up and close and personal, okay? Like, it goes inside of you. And I didn't like the fact that sometimes I felt like I was really sticking my hand up in there and just like giving myself a, if any of you ladies have had a baby, you know when they check your cervix, you know, doing this little sweep thing, that's what I felt like with this. I'm gonna give it another try, another month, and see if maybe I'm doing it wrong. You know, I'm gonna watch some more videos, and I'm gonna see if there's a better way to grab hold of it. Really, I like this. I like this. This is Saalt. Saalt. And another thing that I love about Saalt is my purchase has helped a girl in need receive period care. I love companies that give because I'm a giver. Okay, so I love a company that gives, and they give, and they're helping other women out there, and that is fantastic. So if my period can help somebody else on their period, I am all in. Okay, so Saalt is a thumbs up with me. I just have to learn how to better use it for it to be, yeah, not so fingering for me. So you can do it this way, or another way that I did was was folded in, I don't even know what you call this, but I just kind of folded it in, and then you like I don't know. This is the whole right. I don't, you know, hey, you get it in there, and then I just, you know, kind of stick it in there like that, and then kind of, that was a good illustration. Just like that. And it just kind of, and what I do is I just kind of see where it's at. If I don't feel any holes, or anything, I just assume it's you know, it's fitting in there. And I didn't have any leakage at whatsoever. And this is a Saalt size regular, because I've had 2 kids too. So I give Saalt a thumbs up. I'm going to work with this another month and see where I am, and see if it's something that I want to continue using. Otherwise, anyhow, let me know if I can answer any more questions, or if I missed anything, or if you guys would like to know anything else about the cup. I think that's pretty much it. I'm a Black girl that uses menstrual cups, and I'm trying to save the world and save my body. And there's my baby, so I gotta cut here. All right, bye, peace, love, and happiness.